Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make tasty tamarind ginger recipe. This recipe is a little bit spicy as well as sweety. Always served along with rice. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 4 tablespoons oil and heat it. Then add 1.5 cup of chopped ginger, 10 sliced shallots, 2 chopped green chillies, some curry leaves. Now add half teaspoon salt and saute it for 6 to 7 minutes on medium flame. Saute it until it becomes light golden in color. Now the color has changed to light golden in color. We can add some masalas now. Switch off the flame for now. Add 1.5 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon Asafoetida powder. Also add 1.5 teaspoon salt and mix all together. Mix it well quickly. Now add 2.5 cup of tamarind water. I have made this tamarind water using a large lemon sized tamarind. Use warm water for best results. And mix all together. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes to make it thicker like this. Now we can add 6 tablespoon jaggery to it. If you need more sweet, you can add more jaggery. And mix it well. Stir in between for 2 minutes.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Now it has reached the right consistency. Switch off the flame. Our tasty tamarind ginger recipe is ready. Have it along with white rice or brown rice.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.